Hey everyone, welcome to edquest. In today's session, we are going to set up a Llama model in our local system using Ollama. And we have prepared a documentation for how to install Llama in your local system. You can take this document from our GitHub repository that we mention in our video description. So let's start step by step. Here are some prerequisites. Like before we begin, you will need a machine with sufficient RAM, at least 8 GB recommended. Docker installed. Basic familiarity with command line interfaces. So step 1, install Docker. If you need to have Docker installed on your system, Docker allows you to package and run application in isolated containers. If you have not installed Docker yet, you can download it from the official website and follow the installation instruction for your operating system. After installation, verify Docker is running correctly with docker --version. So I just copied it and just paste here and hit enter. You can see Docker version 28.1.1, and now we follow the rest of steps. Step 2, pull the Llama Docker image. So using docker pull ollama/ollama, you can pull the Llama image from the Docker hub. So I just copied it and paste in. So now you can see it started pulling the Llama image. It will take some time. Now you can see here our image is successfully pulled. So let's move to step 3. In step 3, to deploy Ollama in Docker container, you need to follow this command: docker run -d -v ollama:/root/.ollama -p 11434:11434 -name ollama/ollama. Let's break down this command. -d runs the container in detached mode in the background. -v ollama:/root/.ollama. Create a Docker volume named Ollama and mount it to the container's root Ollama directory, which persists model data between containers restarts. -p 11434:11434 maps port 11434 from the container to your host, enabling API access. -name Ollama assign the name Ollama to the container for easy reference. Ollama specify the Docker image to use. And let's move forward to the step 4. So we copy this command and paste it in your CMD. So there was a mistake. Now you can run this. Our container is running successfully. Now let's move forward to the step 4. Access the Ollama container. To access the Ollama container, you need to copy this command and go to your CMD and paste here and hit enter. Now you are inside the Ollama container. Let's move forward to the step 5. Download and run the Llama 3.2 model. Now that you are inside the container, you can download and run the Llama 3.2 model. First, pull the model. To pull the model, you need to follow Ollama pull Llama 3.2:1 billion. This downloads the 1 billion parameter version of Llama 3.2, which is smaller and require less RAM than large version. I just copied it and go to cmd and paste here. Now you can see it start pulling Llama 3.2 colon 1 billion, and it will take some time. Our model is successfully downloaded, so let's move forward to next step. Now we need to run our model, so go to cmd and paste it and run it. Now it start running, so our model is successfully run. You can send a message. Now you can see our model responding. So as I asked a question, who is the PM of India, and model respond me as my last update in December 2023, the Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. And to confirm our model is running, you can just go to browser and type localhost colon 11.343, and as you can see here Ollama is running. So our Ollama model is successfully deployed in our local system, and you can, in this session we successfully set up Llama in our local system using Ollama. If you have any query, you can comment it, you can contact to us, and we will try to resolve your problem. Thank you.